Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will help fix error code Ws-43709-3. First, let's check the PlayStation network service status to confirm there are no widespread outages affecting millions of users. Next, ensure your internet connection is stable and functioning properly. A quick speed test can confirm this. Finally, perform a full restart of both your PlayStation console and your internet router. This simple step often resolves many temporary network glitches within a few minutes. Next, let's adjust your network settings. Manually configure your DNS to Google's public DNS using 8.8.8.8 and 8.8.4.4. This can often bypass ISP-related routing issues. If possible, try connecting your console to an entirely different network, like a mobile hotspot, to rule out home network problems. For optimal stability, always consider using a wired Ethernet connection, which provides a more consistent data flow than wireless. If the error persists, we'll try two crucial steps. First, boot your PlayStation into safe mode and select the option to rebuild the database. This process reorganizes the hard drive, potentially fixing corrupted files without deleting your games. Second, navigate to account management in your console settings and choose Restore Licenses. This revalidates your digital content, which can resolve issues where the system isn't recognizing your purchased games or applications. These steps are often very effective. Should the error code Ws-43709-3 still be present after trying all these solutions, your next best step is to contact PlayStation support directly. Be prepared to provide them with the precise error code and a detailed list of every troubleshooting step you've already performed. This information will help them quickly diagnose the issue and offer more advanced solutions, potentially including specific network configurations or even repair options for your console. Don't hesitate to reach out.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.